Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents the AKC Black Tactical Leverletto Switchblade Automatic. The perfect synthesis of a stiletto and a lever lock is here. Leverletto. It's beautiful workmanship. These are custom made by AKC. The Leverletto features a classic stiletto blade. The black coated stainless steel blade has tactical Leverletto engraved on the front of the blade and Bill Deshives on the back. When you press the lever release, the action is fast and the lockup is solid. Very cool black composite handle. These knives make beautiful collector pieces and are sure to be treasured part of any collection. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com